दोस्तों मैं हूं विभास झा. I am a faculty at Next IAS for economics, and I am here in Topper's Talk introducing you to Divya Mishra, who has secured rank 28 in this attempt at civil services. And I'm joined in my panel by ma'am, who is the director here at Next IAS, and we have Arvindji, who is also with us as a team member, and we have Atish Mathur sir, who is a well-known faculty. So it's nice to actually meet Divya. I've been talking to her for some time, and it has been a wonderful experience talking to her till now. दिव्या ने अपनी बीटेक की है टेक्सटाइल टेक्नोलॉजी में, और उन्होंने अपनी पीएचडी भी खत्म की है अभी अब IIM लखनऊ से. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि ये पीएचडी करते हुए साथ साथ यूपीएससी के लिए तैयारी करती रही. पीएचडी में भी सक्सेसफुल हुई और यूपीएससी में पहले अटेम्प्ट में इंटरव्यू में पहुंची. सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में इनका 312 रैंक आया, 312, और अब ये 28 रैंक लेकर अपने जर्नी को एक सक्सेसफुल कंप्लीशन दे चुकी हैं. तो दिव्या, हमारा पहला सवाल तो मेरा यही रहेगा आपसे कि जब आप ऑप्शनल चुनते हैं, तैयारी शुरू करते हैं, तो क्या प्रोसेस आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे आपका रहा जिसने आपको पहले अटेम्प्ट में इंटरव्यू की एक पोजीशन पे पहुंचाने की कोशिश की?
So optional has played a very big role in my first attempt itself. I got 301. It was philosophy. And I chose this optional solely on this instinct factor that I loved the subject very much. And till today, I have never thought of changing the subject. And philosophy is something that, I enjoy all the time. So I think that is the most important thing. And
so that is one important thing that you should know, that what you enjoy doing, you should take as an optional because you have to live with it.
Yes.
So do that. And how about your GS preparation? When did you start that, Divya?
So GS preparation was not that well in the beginning. It was on a shaky ground, but it is a vast syllabus, takes some time. So I subscribed to various sources, online ones mostly, tapped into different sources of knowledge, and then gradually the base started building up. And when I look back on the hindsight, I can say that it's in GS it takes effort, and we need expert advice for that.
Right.
So Divya ji, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
Thank you, ma'am.
As you are a female candidate and you are a big inspiration for our girls and our females. तो आप कुछ उनके लिए मोटिवेशन के लिए आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगी, या आपके सामने कुछ ऐसे चैलेंजेस आए हों जिससे आप शेयर करना चाहें?
Ma'am, challenges being a girl, वैसे फैमिली से कुछ नहीं है, एजुकेशन से कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ये कह सकती हूँ ये एक स्टीरियोटाइप रहता है. इट इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. तो इन दैट सेंस साइकोलॉजिकली हमेशा जो मुझे पुश फैक्टर लगता है वो रहता है प्रूव योरसेल्फ, डू समथिंग, बिकॉज आई एम वन ऑफ दोज फॉर्चुनेट एंड प्रिविलेज्ड गर्ल्स हु आर एबल टू परस्यू व्हाट दे वांट. We in our country have around 27% women labor force participation, if I'm not wrong on my statistics, and that is really, really low. China has 41%, so there is a lot of work that needs to be done, and challenges women already vulnerable section में बढ़ जाते हैं जब वो रूरल एरियाज में हैं या फिर उनके साथ दूसरे और भी डबल चैलेंजेस हैं. So it's a lot of
तो आप मतलब कहना चाहेंगे कि गर्ल्स के लिए कोई भी चैलेंज बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, अगर वो मन में ठान ले एक बार कुछ भी काम करने के लिए, तो ये सारी गर्ल्स कर सकती हैं, है ना?
Do not count me as wrong, but God has chosen women to bear the child. So for the next generation, because they're stronger one.
Very nice.
They are stronger.
They are
no doubt about it.
Yeah. तो अतीश जी,
a very simple question to ask. So you're a PhD person. So academically, the kind of pedagogy you require in your PhD studies is diametrically opposite to the kind of pedagogy you would require in UPSC. And you're battling with two different academic pursuits simultaneously. And I can only imagine the kind of cognitive war that might be going on. How did you, in the words of polity, create separation of powers?
So it was difficult.
Very difficult.
It was difficult, that was my real struggle. But in the struggle, there is always the willpower that comes out of that struggle. So I will say at this stage that PhD informed and gave the willpower to pursue the preparation of especially GS and other subjects. And in return, what I have studied in my UPSC syllabus, it has so much impact if somebody reads my thesis. So it would be littered with the ideas of UPSC.
Yes.
So many statistics, examples, and dimensions that I have touched. It is because of my UPSC preparation.
Very interestingly, because so PhD usually expects you to be very intensely involved in probably the details of the subject of your thesis. The general studies part of it, though superficial in nature, has to still be very relevant and to the exam.
Yes, sir.
And to make sure that both of these coexist peacefully and to allow one to help the other. That's impeccable. That's fantastic.
Yeah, actually.
That's
Finding complementarity is a good thing.
fantastic.
Yes, sir. But I mean, जहाँ चाय वहाँ राय, sir.
हाँ, नहीं बहुत
It is
सही
always
बात.
like that. This was the only way to find the positive energy between the two and
Yes.
connect it.
In fact, I had one more question for you, Divya. When you did your interview first attempt, and say when the results came, and it must have been a little heartbreaking at that time.
It was for 2 hours.
That's what I
2
wanted
hours.
to know. So, what do you give as a message? Because many people. I also have been talking to many of my students since yesterday, because there are two extremes.
Right.
One is the set of people who have qualified and they are
And they
motivated.
were yet to qualify.
who are yet to qualify, whose journey is still going on. And when you reach till interview, then, and since you have gone through the journey yourself, you know that one part of the mind says it's done now.
Yes.
So what do you suggest to those who have reached interview, that what positives they should definitely carry, and then make sure that next attempt is their better one?
If they have reached the interview, that it itself means that they have the thing in
True,
themselves.
very true.
First thing is this. So this will give a lot of confidence, and with confidence comes the energy to convert the ideas and the passion into real text to write in mains and to perform well in the interview. And so second, even those who are selected, I would like to say on that part also that civil services is not an end in itself. It is a
Right.
means.
Means.
Should be used and seen in that way that nothing changes. If you want to serve the country, there are so many ways.
True.
So if we are really thinking that what are our instruments and what are our terminal values, and use the instrument for that, if this clarity is there, then effort will be there and results will be there.
Absolutely.
It is a little abstract, I know, but
No,
what?
you are absolutely right when you say that. That end of the day, it's just about finding the means, and
Yes, sir.
then the ends can be solved in that
Yes,
case.
sir. It can.
दिव्या
be.
जी, जब हम तैयारी करते हैं आईएएस के लिए स्पेशली, तो हमारे मन में एक बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस होते हैं या बहुत सारे सपने होते हैं कि मुझे आईएएस बनने के बाद मुझे ये काम करना है, या मैं क्यों करना चाहती हूँ, है ना? तो आपके मन में भी क्या कोई ऐसा सपना रहा कि मुझे इसके बाद पर्टिकुलरली इस फील्ड में वर्क करना है, या देश के लिए, जैसे आपने बताया कि यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, तो आप क्या स्पेशली करना चाहेंगी?
Ma'am, women in the vulnerable section, it is always on the top of my mind, always. And I am a Navodaya student, and in every Navodaya Vidyalaya, every single one of them all over the country, you will find this sentence: शिक्षार्थ आइए, सेवार्थ जाइए.
वाह,
Come to learn and go
बहुत
to serve.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
So that spirit is always there, and so in that comes the vulnerable section. And second, I find it very fascinating that I visited Gazipur landfill site twice or thrice, and no other monument can replace that memory. So waste management, I have become very conscious about that. I want to work in that area also, apart from that. And there are other things also, but these two are coming to my mind right now, that I can actually do something, some innovative solution at local level
True.
to address that.
वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट तो इट्स a very big issue.
I'm passionate about cleaning also, so I always clean.
तो
Always
थोड़े
clean.
समय में हम देखेंगे कि हमारा इंडिया भी एक यूरोप के समकक्ष या दूसरी
बिल्कुल
कंट्रीज
मैम.
के समकक्ष आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल मैम, कोई कमी नहीं हमारे
I'm
अंदर.
really very happy to know this, your vision.
And something that you would like to guide the students who are preparing now, that especially the very young ones who are just passing out their undergraduate, and some of them are in the third year, तो वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा guidance at loss रहता है. So something that you can guide them, that how they should go about the journey, that will be a great idea.
Trust the people around you. No matter which coaching, there are always people that you can place your trust, and listen to what they are saying, because they have been on that side and they are teaching the students who have been on both of the sides. So that is very important. Mentorship and not just teaching is important. First is that. Second, find people who are a positive source of motivation for you, because it is a long, arduous journey which requires patience, and you need to be surrounded with positive energy ecosystem.
True.
And third, never lose faith in yourself, and always remember that good things, good ideas, they can always be propagated. Civil service is just one way to do that. There are so many ways to reach the top of the mountain.
Right.
If the top of the mountain is public service.
Right. Very correct. Very correct.
दिव्या, जैसा आपने बताया जब आपने प्रोफेशन स्टार्ट की थी, एट दैट टाइम यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि हाउ टू स्टार्ट.
Yes.
तो जो बच्चे बहुत ही पुअर बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, दे डोंट नो कि हाउ टू प्रिपेयर, व्हाट दे हैव टू डू टू अचीव दैट, तो उनके लिए आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे कि कैसे वो प्रिपरेशन शुरू करें और कितनी उनको मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत है, और इनफैक्ट क्या इंस्पिरेशन उनके लिए होना चाहिए? आप एक्चुअली उनके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है.
और साथ में ये भी जोड़िए कि आपके लिए कौन इंस्पिरेशन थे या क्या इंस्पिरेशन था. स्टार्टिंग विद अरविंद जी फर्स्ट, मतलब जो इन्होंने
सर, रूरल एरियाज में बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, पर इनफैक्ट जैसे कोचिंग ही है, तो आई थिंक जो डिजिटल मोड है ये सबको टच कर रहा है आज की डेट में.
बहुत
So,
सही.
हमें मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस पे जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज इससे स्केल बढ़ रही है और क्वालिटी कंप्रोमाइज़ नहीं हो रही है. ये दोनों चीज़ें साथ में आती हैं डिजिटल के साथ. एंड सेकेंड ये है कि वो भी कोशिश करें, उनके पेरेंट्स और वो लोग, कि उन चैनल्स को ढूंढें जहाँ पे सिविल सर्विस या उससे जुड़ी हुई बातें होती हैं. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता कि सिविल सर्विस, जैसे मुझे नहीं पता था कि I don't want to say anything. I did not know many things. Let's just say that. Many things.
And that says a lot of things.
Awareness deficit is a lot of problem in rural areas. There is so much talent, just so much talent,
You're
so
right,
much
yeah.
brilliance.
You're absolutely
Just
right.
untapped as a voice, just lying there, and we can't do anything. We know them and we can't help them. It is like that. So it's every stakeholder has to come forward to help them. And awareness deficit is the biggest cause. Once somebody knows that this is good for me, that person is going to go there no matter what. So that knowledge of knowing what is good for me, we need to propagate that thing. And your question, I forgot that.
That what was your inspiration?
So my
in starting?
inspiration, I watched a lot of videos. The one I am appearing right now. So it started, the inspiration started from this stage. And then I looked at the syllabus and then looked at the society. So it was like learning simultaneously. And every single thing has inspired. Teachers have inspired. Students have inspired. So those who got selected, and then some job and someone doing good work,
Right.
and thinking that I could be one of them.
Very good.
Yeah, definitely.
Just like that.
You will be-
Not just
you will
one
be-
person.
You will be the person who will inspire to all.
Yes.
All the coming
Right.
students.
So we should try to do that
Yes.
to each other.
Yeah.
In fact, that is a very correct thing you said, that digital media is becoming important today. And in that case, you can reach out to, in fact, that is what we at Next IAS are trying to do.
I am a beneficiary of digital media, so I am completely 100% for it.
That it was actually very nice hearing from you when you said that you watched the videos, because I'll tell you, because this is the effort we are trying to put in, that we know we cannot reach out to all physically,
Yes.
but at least digitally we can reach out to as many people, and that can be a beginning. Also, I think that another thing people should do is that before they start preparing, they should spend some days internalizing the preparation process.
Yes, sir, that is.
To analyze.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is very important. It's a long marathon. It's important.
Right. In fact, we were talking to one person, and he said something very correct, that you need some internal liking for studies.
That is like a sine qua non. You want to have that in you. Otherwise, it's a lot of studies.
I love
You're
studies.
craving to know more things. I have
Absolutely.
that. So I think that helps me.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. सो
Absolutely.
ये बहुत जरूरी बात है जो अभी दिव्या ने बताई, कि आपको एक पढ़ने की तरफ इंटरेस्ट, अपनी जागरूकता बनानी पड़ेगी, कि जैसे आप पढ़ने की तरफ ध्यान देने लगोगे, नई चीजें जानने में आपकी अगर उत्सुकता बढ़ गई,
Yes, yes.
वो अपने आप ही आपको सही मंजिल की तरफ लेके चली जाती है. सिर्फ रटना नहीं है, हमें नई चीजें जाननी है, उनको एनालाइज करना है, बारे में सोचना है उनके बारे में. तो ये बहुत सही बात बताई अभी उन्होंने. ये जरूर ध्यान में रखना है हमें, कि जब प्रिपरेशन जो भी आप लोग कर रहे हैं, वो इसको आगे बढ़ाएं जरूर.
डिजिटलाइजेशन ने जो है आपके, जिससे आप काउंसलिंग ले सकते थे, उनको आपके पास भेज दिया है, पहले लोगों को जाना होता था कि
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It helps. It saves time. It saves. It is environmentally conscious. You know.
In fact, right now you are reaching out to so many people,
Yes.
and otherwise people would read things. Say many may not be even, because we know that in India we have places जहाँ पे accessibility to magazines भी नहीं है,
नहीं.
नहीं मिल पाते बच्चों को. तो कम से कम ये जो है ये तो with digitalization everybody can see, and that will be a very big inspiring motive. So wonderful, Divya, and many congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
And-
Thank you so much, sir. I am just a student and I have benefited, so I have attended your classes, sir. It's a pleasure, sir.
People have been inspiring me, and you are one of those inspirations for me also. Great.
Thank
It was
you,
very
sir.
nice meeting you,
Thank
for
you,
all
sir.
of us.
Thank you,
Many,
sir.
many thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.